Hi guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our weather analysis. This is for today, Thursday through Saturday, August 25 to 27, 2022. We are now back after 24 hours of resting. So yesterday we didn't issue any video analysis. We only have 2 hours every day of sleep, so we need some recharge. Okay. And right now we're back, and Florida is now gone. It went out of the Philippine Air Responsibility yesterday morning, and it's now preparing to make landfall over western Guangdong area in southern China, in the vicinity of the northern portions of Leju Peninsula. And let me check now the fast animation. So there you go. It's preparing to make landfall with much of the convection covering Leju Peninsula and the Hainan Island of southern China, while the Philippine Islands is enjoying some hot and humid conditions with lesser chances of thunderstorms as of this time because of a building ridge of high pressure over the North Philippine Sea east of Batanes. So we could experience some very hot and humid weather with heat index reaching as high as 45 degrees centigrade. So don't forget to drink lots of fluids, lots of water, and avoid going out during noontime. And we have still a couple of thunderstorms moving across the Bicol Region and Eastern Visayas. And here's another cyclone, Typhoon 2K, which is now transitioning into an extratropical cyclone. And it's already becoming a part of a frontal system, moving faster towards the northeast. And we have here a dissipating or decaying low pressure area, which was once 98W, and its remnants is becoming a tropical wave. This is an elongated area of thunderstorms moving faster, and it is likely to approach the Bicol region and Eastern Visayas sometime tomorrow morning or in the afternoon. So Friday morning and in the afternoon, we expect again some rainy conditions across Bicol region and Eastern Visayas. After that, back to hot weather this coming weekend, Saturday, Sunday through Monday. But still in the afternoon and evening, there are some showers and thunderstorms. So here's our last graph set that we issued at 11 p.m. last night. It's already late, but since we are resting, we need to have some day off after 4 days of back-to-back updates on Florida, which dumped rains and brought some heavy or strong winds across northern Luzon. And the forecast of Typhoon 2000 is on the dot. It passed over that area a few days, 2 days ago, and right now it has accelerated towards southern China. There's the remnants of the southwest monsoon, and here's the high pressure area that I've been mentioning a while ago, which will bring hot weather across Luzon, and the remnants of 98W moving faster towards the Bicol region and Eastern Visayas. So expect rainfall conditions tomorrow. And here's the fast animation of Ma-on. That's the international name of Florida, preparing to make landfall over the northern portion of Leju Peninsula. So heavy rainfall will be expected over that area. So Hong Kong was spurred by this system, but it also dumped some rainfall, thunderstorms during the past 24 hours. Here's the Asian agency's tracks on Ma-on, and all of them agree it will pass over the northern portion of Leju Peninsula. Here's the steering environment, which shows the system, the high pressure system, over the Philippine Sea, and it's giving some hot weather across Luzon. And this is the cloudiness and the rain showers that is expected to reach the Bicol region tomorrow. And as we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, so this is now the rain bands of LPA 98W, which is becoming a tropical wave as it approaches the Bicol region. So expect to bring your umbrellas and rain gear again tomorrow. And let me see the forecast for the next 3 days from windy.com. This is based on the European model. This afternoon we expect some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms across Luzon, including Metro Manila and Central Luzon, and some portions of the Bicol region as well, Visayas, and also Mindanao. And by tomorrow morning, here comes the remnants of LPA 98W moving across Bicol region in the afternoon, beginning morning until the afternoon. Okay, and then on Saturday, we could expect some improvement of the weather. With there are still thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, but so far in the morning and noontime, it's gonna be good. So that will be until Sunday. Good weather, back to normal. Because of La Nina, we expect still these thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. So here's the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days. So as you can see, the rainfall for the next 3 days will be coming from the remnants of 98W, a low pressure area which has been decaying for the past 24 hours. So expect rains and thunderstorms across the Bicol region and southern Tagalog provinces, including Mindoro, Romblon, and Marinduque, and northern portions of Panay Island. While over to the west of Palawan, there are some remnants of the southwest monsoon becoming a surface trough. Now here's the Global Tropics Hazards and Benefits Outlook of the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA. This is valid for the next 2 weeks, issued yesterday. So August 24 to August 30, the Philippine Islands will have below average rainfall. So it will be below normal because of the emergence of a high pressure cell to the northeast of the Philippine Islands or over the Philippine Sea. Now for week 2, valid August 31 to September 6, there will be another 50% probability or chance, moderate probability of a tropical cyclone formation to the south of Japan moving towards Okinawa, okay, or the Ryukyus between August 31 to September 6. So this is not expected to affect the Philippine Islands, and the southwest monsoon will remain absent because of a monsoon break coming, okay. And here's the high pressure cell as of this time. So by tomorrow, that high pressure cell will remain here, and it will push the remnants of the LPA over to the Bicol region, and expect some showers and thunderstorms Friday. And on Sunday and on Saturday, the shallow LPA will be transformed into a tropical wave. Let me check. And tropical wave, okay. Even the European model is showing the remnants of that LPA. And if we move fast forward next week, here comes the potential low pressure system that could become a tropical cyclone, and it could develop based on the European model as well as the American model. Okay, both of them agree that this will be another cyclone moving towards the southern islands of Japan through September 3. So September 1 to 3, there will be a cyclone to the north of the Philippine Islands, either over Taiwan, Okinawa area, or southern Japan. But for the Philippine Islands, we will be enjoying good weather with a chance of afternoon rain showers and thunderstorms as well. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Thursday through Saturday, and we will return on Saturday to give you more YouTube updates, especially our tropical weather analysis for the Philippine Islands. And again, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.